AI is making a lot of people millionaires. People are creating generational wealth on a daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis with through the use of AI. So I don't know where you have placed yourself in this generation of AI. There are so many things you can do with AI, and they include but not limited to copywriting. You can as well use AI for content writing. You can use AI for video generation. You can use AI to create templates. You can use AI to create ebooks that you will sell in digital stores and make passive income. There are so many other things that you can use AI to do. So in this generation, I don't know where you have placed yourself, whether you are an AI person or you are not interested in artificial intelligence. But all I know is that the global activities are being taken over by AI. So I don't know how you intend to use AI, or you don't want to be part of it, or you're already part of it but you are not doing it well, or you are not taking it seriously. uh, in this video I would like us to discuss some of the things. I just want to point out the good use and the AI opportunity that has presented itself in this generation, and you too as a person can make use of it to create generational wealth. And I've always said it that passive income is the greatest income that any human being can achieve in this life. So when you have things that pay you money while you sleep, that is the greatest of all money making. That is the greatest of all money making. So if you are making use of AI in this generation and you are not being serious about it, or you've not started making money with it, you can just start as a person or as a company and use AI to do a lot of things. Different companies are using AI to do their things online, and they are billionaires. They are worth billions, and you as a person can also make money through AI. So it's not always good when you see things that are free, things that are cheap. You will just ignore them and wait maybe until they are being sold or they become costly. Presently AI is almost free. There are free versions of AI that will help you to do a lot of things. For instance, if you want to do content writing, AI can write a lot for you. If you want to create ebooks, AI can write ebooks for you, and you can even use AIs to create templates. You can use AI to create planners. You can use AI to create notebooks and so many other things you can create with AI. You can use AI to design articles, no arts. You can use AI to design logos for people as a logo designer. You can do a lot, even freelancing with AI. You can also do automation with AI. You can manage people's social media pages through AI. So I don't know the particular aspect of AI usage that you want to involve yourself in. My point here is that AI is making a lot of people millionaires, and people are building generational wealth through the use of AI. So I don't know if you'll be interested in it, or you're already using it, or you're not serious using AI to do your things. But my point here is that it is good to use AI now that it's still free, because it might become so costly tomorrow that it will be difficult for you to afford or to even use. So AI will do a lot of things for you. All the things that you can sell online, AI can help you generate. All the things you can write online, AI can help you generate. All the businesses you want to do online, AI can help those businesses, and all the process very easy for you. So these are the functions and the advantages of this AI that has taken over. Even though a lot of people will not want you to do their jobs with AI, but there are still AIs that will make the jobs look original. So you don't have any excuse not to start trying your hustle online. You can always make money online through the use of AI, because AI has made everything very easy for everyone. So if you are the type that will if you are interested, or you are finding value in this video and you want to try it out, you can use AI. There is ChatGPT, there is Google Gemini, there is DeepSeek, and there are so many other AIs that will help you do things, both free of charge and paid. And when you're paying, you don't pay a lot. It's just small money that you pay, and you keep using those AIs to do a lot. And of course, if you are making money with something, and you are making, maybe you are making $100 with something, and that thing is asking you to pay maybe $1 monthly, you happily pay it. So the thing is that you've not really tried using them, or you have not been serious about using AI to make money. So it is a call to start using AI, because this is a generational something. It might become costly tomorrow. I won't say it might disappear tomorrow, but it might just become costly and maybe regulated. So now that it's too free, and people can use them easily, you can dive into it and create your path to wealth presently, before it is saturated. So I will see you in the next video. If you found value, or you are finding value in this video, you can just give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, share the video, subscribe to this channel. And if you want me to discuss any further on this, or any aspect of AI usage, you can just write it in the comment section. I'll give you a reply. I'll see you in my next video. Good luck.